Hello, this is Sir Richard. Nowadays, the world becomes closer and somehow more connected with the power of the World Wide Web. Websites such as Google, Facebook, YouTube, and others become common things, especially to students like you. But the question is, are you getting the best of these websites? Do you really get the information you need when you browse a website? Living in a modern world where technology is predominantly used and internet is a necessity, website navigation is a skill that you must learn. With this short video presentation, we'll go over 5 of the most important words or terminologies in website navigation. We begin with, what is a website? A website is a group of worldwide web pages, examples Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Amazon, etc. It is usually containing hyperlinks which are made available online by an individual, a company, an educational institution, a government, or an organization. Now, websites classify websites into different types. They may have a differing number of the list of these classifications or different terms, but they do have similarities or common denominators. One example of this type of website is the search engines. What are the search engines? We have Google and Yahoo, DuckDuckGo. The other type of website is the social media websites, which YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter belong to. What is website navigation? Website navigation is the process of navigating pages, applications, and websites on the internet. The technology behind it is called hypertext or hypermedia. Our third word, hypertext. Hypertext are text-based web pages that use hyperlinks to connect them to other pages on the internet. The fourth word, a hyperlink. What is a hyperlink? A hyperlink is a link that leads your web browser to a URL or Universal Resource Locator. Finally, our fifth terminology, the URL. What is the URL? The URL or Universal Resource Locator indicates which file the browser should access from the server. It downloads and renders the data so the user can see it. There are other words worth knowing. Let us just enumerate them. 1. Website logo. 2. Header. 3. Menu. 4. Body. 5. Highlighted content. 6. Call to action. 7. Sidebar. 8. Post and feed content. 9. Internal links. 10. Forms. 11. Buttons. 12. Footer. 13. Social links. You may not completely know the language of website navigation, but what is important is you've got some ease or facility in the use of the internet or in the navigation of different websites available in the internet.